I have a feeling what this one is, so it's not going to be much of a surprise. But oi, oi, oi. I mean, like, I'm, as a rule, genuinely glad they make it hard to open some of these, because when it's too easy to open, that almost worries me. Alrighty. Oh, shiznit. That'd be crazy. So I ordered this pen. Really pretty, right? But there was 2 pins in there. And that's kind of weird, right? So she gave me a free one. How cool was that? And would it be wrong of me to resell this because it's Lion King? I mean, or whatever, The King and I don't even know what that movie is, and so maybe I should sell it to somebody who will want it and get, like, good use out of it? I don't know. This one, I have a feeling I know what it is too, so I'm sorry if that's cheating. I mean, I haven't been, like, looking at labels and cheating like that. I've been trying to, like, record my genuine reaction live on camera. Okay. But I have a feeling I know what this is. Boom. Bada boom. Oh, what? Say what? That's so awesome, Megan. I know it's awesome. That's why I had to go buy it. But I used to have one of these when I was a kid. So, super excited about it. It's actually clean. This smells like it's been like in a garage or something. But I'm really excited. Last one that came today is this big bag boy, and Kenny actually was pretty upset because he thought it was his Hatchet Gear order, which he's been waiting a really long time for that. But if you know Hatchet Gear, you know it takes forever to get your shit. So he was pretty upset. He was like, oh man, I thought that was for me. Sorry, I'm not sorry. Wow. What a big box for something so little. All it is this. Kenny, this is all that was in this box.
Seriously?
Seriously.
Oh my god.
So, let's open one of these up first. These are actually calendar stickers. You guys know what that is? Basically little reminders, so like, well, might help if I turn it the right way. Doctor's appointment, field trip, vacation, haircut, dine out, no school, going to the gym that day. Important, urgent, pet, pay bill, dentist. You put them on your calendar, and I'm a planner kind of person. I like planners. I like to do different colors, and I don't go all out like some people do. And then there's this one. Music lesson, party, birthday, back to school, vacation, to do. Here's this one. And I thought I knew what this one was because of the return address, but there's no way it's this big, so unless they edited some or put like something else in here, like a box or something, I don't know. Okay. This is why I was confused, because like I didn't order no DVD. Okay. That's actually a good way to package it, because it's so small. But this is the, what did you call, like, manual for the Game Boy game that I bought. This is a big boy and it's overflowing. So, and I do think I know what this is. At first I was like, what in the hell is this? But I think they just smushed it in here. So. Dang. I probably should have used a bigger box. Like, for real. Excuse me. I also tickle in my throat and I can't scratch it. I swear, I'm not like crazy. Although I've never been tested, so maybe I am. We're just gonna rip it. Ooh, get a little peek there. Can you see it? Ming's getting excited. Because I got like high-pitched voice. Oh, Lordy. This is a backpack. It's supposed to be used, but this shit is like, it smells like it's never been used. I wonder if someone didn't like get it for a gift and like never use it. But I'm going on a trip, just an overnight trip soon, and I needed a backpack that was small that I could take other than my school bag. I'll open this up for you real quick. A nice big open area here, your turtle shell to store all your shit. And it does have a few compartments here, which will be good for me because I can put like toiletries here, my iPod, stuff like that.
Thanks for watching!